Kamanangs, welcome to the cooking episodes of ManangBidayBD vlogs. And before we're gonna start, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, give a thumbs up, and click the bell button to keep updated on my next coming videos. For today's videos, we're going to cook a chicken broccoli. If you wanna know the process of cooking, stay till the end on this video and I'm gonna show you how. On this recipe, what is the main needed is the broccoli and the chicken, of course. And if you want another colors, you can just another vegetables like carrot and beans. Actually, the beans, I just added it to make it the color more vibrant. We need also tomatoes cut into dice. Time to marinate the chicken. We need to put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, peppercorn crush, onion powder, garlic powder, and cornstarch. So we have to mix it. Time to put the pan in the fire. Let's put a cooking oil and fry the garlic. Next, put the chicken slice and keep on stirring it until cook a little bit, then let's cover it. Cook the chicken until turn golden brown. Time to put the tomatoes. Once you put the tomatoes, keep on stirring it and then cover again. We have to add a little bit water to add more gravy. Then after that, we have to put the vegetables. We have to put the broccoli in. For additional gravy, we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and add water as well. Adding a boiled kidney beans is optional. It's up to you if you want to put. But for me, I want to put the kidney beans because I want it more colors. perfect meal. Bon appetit mga kamanangs! Enjoy!